Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, gamit ang ating tarot cards, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari, mga gabay, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito. Pwedeng ito ay sa career, pwede din ito ay sa love, okay? So, reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa iyo, pwede pong hindi. Okay? And this is a timeless reading. Ang daily reading natin ay always timeless. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, pag nag-resonate po sa sitwasyon niyo po, take nyo lang. Okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, kahit masculine o feminine man, ito ay energy. So, hindi po specific gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood. And yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, basta mag-resonate, again, take nyo lang. Okay? So, ano po ang mensahe nyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? The Judgment, okay? Answered prayer, something to receive na ikakatuwa nyo. Okay? So, pwede kang merong matatanggap na mensahe, pwedeng hindi lang ikaw yung kumbaga, magkakaroon ng advantage, kundi lahat ng mga taong dinidil mo, okay? Pwedeng family, pwedeng meron kang mga anak, okay? Or mga taong mahal mo sa buhay. Basta there is something na ikakatuwa nyo, okay? Or ikakatuwa mo mismo. So, ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay, so, merong gustong mag-flip pero hindi tumutuloy. Ayun. So, there's a Six of Swords. Pwede you're dealing with a Gemini, pwedeng specific Gemini, pwede, okay, or air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, there is something na parang ito yung makakatulong sa'yo to move forward, okay? Ito yung makakatulong sa'yo to do something na kumbaga, merong ka matatanggap na kung saan there's a go sign, okay? Or something na parang magagamit mo big time, okay? And there's the High Priestess, Nine of Swords, and the Lovers. Pwede you're dealing with a Gemini again, okay? Or air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or pwede you're dealing with someone na merong Sun, Moon, Rising na Gemini, okay? Or air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or ikaw, pwede meron kang Moon or Rising na air sign. So, ikaw to Pisces, this is you, the High Priestess. Malakas yung intuition mo, okay? And alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung tama at mali, or tama or mali. Wala po tayong alam mo yun, yung kulay, okay? Basta there is something na malakas yung kutob mo, you're intuitive, ano, tama ba yun yung pagka-pronounce ko? Basta malakas yung gut feeling mo, Pisces. And there is someone, it's either you or ikaw, yung parang, ang dami mong iniisip or ang daming iniisip ng taong dinidil mo, okay? Pwedeng meron kang connection sa love, okay? Na kasi the lovers, root word, love, okay? Love mismo. So, there is someone, it's either you or someone na dinidil mo na parang hindi makatulog sa gabi, okay? Nagigising, sleepless nights, okay? Nakikita nyo sa madilim na kwarto, siya lang mag-isa and umiiyak siya. Okay? So, there is something, pwedeng galing ito sa taong dinidil mo, itong kung ano man matatanggap mo to move forward. Okay? Or pwedeng siya yung makakatanggap ng something coming from you. Okay? So, sige nga, clarify natin ano po ang specific clarifications for this the judgment. Ano po yung matatanggap? Okay? It's either si Pisces or someone na dinidil ni Pisces. Ano po ang the judgment? Clarifications for the judgment card. Ano po ang clarifications for the judgment? Ayun. So, Ace of Cups, Pisces, there is something na matatanggap mo. It's either this is a love, if this is a something na makakapagbigay sa'yo ng kasiyahan. Kasi, kitang-kita nyo there's a big cup na nag-uumapaw yung water, okay? And meron pa siyang Parang yung sa ostya ba yun, okay, and there's a dove, so it means this is a divinely guided, this is a divinely uh, gift coming from our God, pwede, sa universe, kay angel mo, okay, kahit ano na parang uh, this happened for a reason, Pisces, okay? And makakatanggap ka. Again, there is something sinabi ko kanina na kung saan magbibigay sa'yo ng sobrang kasiyahan, or as I said kanina, go sign, okay? Whatever it is, pwedeng ito ay sa love, pwede din ito ay sa something na makakatulong sa'yo sa pamumuhay, okay? Basta there is a parang blessing na nag-uumapaw, siksik, liglig at nag-uumapaw na biyaya, okay? So, ano po yung clarifications for this Six of Swords? Ano po ang clarifications for this Six of Swords? The Magician, Pisces, manifestations, everything you wanted will be yours, okay? Lahat. Kasi nakikita nyo sa Magician na nandito, meron tayo ditong mesa. And yung mesa niya is kompleto, okay? There's a cup, which is ito yung darating sa'yo, okay? And there's a coin, there's a sword, and there's a wands, okay? So, kumbaga, magbibigay ito sa'yo ng fulfillment. Okay? Sobrang laki ng advantage to sa'yo, Pisces. Pwede you're dealing with something na love, or pwede you're dealing with something na again, magagamit mo into your life. Big time. Okay? Kung ano man to. Take nyo lang po kung saan mag-resonate sa aspeto ng buhay nyo, Pisces. And the High Priestess naman po, ano po ang clarifications for the High Priestess? Ano po ang clarifications for the High Priestess for Pisces? Ano po ang clarifications for the High Priestess? Yes, Pisces, this is you. Okay? The High Priestess, which is your energy, and the Moon, which is Pisces sign. Okay? So, nakita mo ang dark side, Pisces. Nakita mo kumbaga nakita mo both sides. Okay? Light and darkness. And it happens for a reason. It happens for a reason. It may resonate to your love life, or it may resonate to your daily life, like family, workmates, friendship, okay? Kumbaga nakita mo, and there is something. Bigla ko na ano yung phrase na light at the end of the tunnel, Pisces, okay? And again, there's a reason behind it. Everything happens for a reason. So kung ano man to, merong mangyayari for you, Pisces, na kumbaga patapos na itong darkness side na to, okay? And again, makikita mo na yung light at the end of the tunnel. Makikita mo na yung liwanag. And yung liwanag na yun is ito yun, Pisces. Ito yun, see the Judgment and this Ace of Cups, which is magbibigay sa'yo ng go signal to move forward, which is magbibigay sa'yo ng something na fulfillment, okay, sa buhay mo. Okay, so maganda yung darating for you, Pisces. It may happen right now, later, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, whatever, kung anong mang timeline na yun. Pero merong magandang darating for you, okay? And ano po ang clarifications for this Nine of Swords? Is this the energy of Pisces or someone na dinidil niya? Okay, so eto na, the Tower. Ten of Pentacles, Three of Wands, and Seven of Cups. Okay, so unahin natin itong si the Tower. This is the reason why kung bakit mayroong sleepless nights. It's either merong dalawang involved dito, Pisces, and ito yung sila, the lovers, which is ito sila. Okay? Merong nasira, merong nangyari sudden. Okay? Pero again, always kung pong sinasabi na everything happens for a reason, Pisces. Everything happens for a reason. So, kung ano man itong nasira, merong rason yun, and kung ano man yung rason na yun, nagbibigay sa'yo, or ito ng tao na parang sleepless nights, kalungkutan, okay? Pero, patapos na siya, okay? There is something na fulfillment. There is something na makikita mo na yung light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, Pisces? And ito yung darating for you. Pero the reason of this Nine of Swords is because of this, the Tower moment, okay? And pwede meron nitong connection, something na family or marriage or long-term commitment or company, okay? Basta merong mga taong involved. Again, merong bata tayo dito, okay? So, pwede merong involved na bata, pero pwede meron kayong anak, you are in a marriage, and medyo nagkaroon ng tower moment sa inyong dalawa and merong connection sa bata, okay? Or kung hindi naman, merong connection sa family member or company na marami kayo, okay? And merong the tower moment. It's either parang isa ka sa mga na lay off, okay? Pwedeng there is something na parang disappointments, okay? Basta merong connection sa long-term commitment, marriage, or family, or something na company. Okay? And it will open for you for a new journey, Pisces. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng, nakikita nyo sa three of wands natin dito, meron siyang parang kapareho or similarities ng six of swords natin dito. Nakikita nyo merong dagat, merong body of water, and merong body of water na nandito. Okay? And merong bangka. Nakikita nyo merong bangka. And ito sila nakasakay sa bangka. Okay? And merong kabilang isla, kabilang isla. So, ito yung journey na kumbaga magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment, Pisces, kung ano man to. Okay? It will open for you a new beginning, new journey. Okay? It's either meron itong connection parang sa mga bagay na inaasam-asam mo dati. Pwede meron itong connection sa tao, specific person mo. Pwede ito ay loved one mo, okay? Or trabaho, again. Or kahit ano na inaasam-asam mo dati, Pisces. There is pwedeng physical travel or pwedeng there is something na moving forward or kumbaga magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment, big advantage for your life. Okay? So, maganda kung ano man tong darating sa'yo na the judgment energy which is clarified by Ace of Cups. Okay? So, pwedeng mag-resonate siya sa love life again, sa career, pwedeng sa family, sa company, sa trabaho, or something na parang sa lahat ng aspeto sa pamumuhay po. Okay, so clarify natin itong si The Lovers. Ano po ang clarifications for this The Lovers energy ni Pisces? Ayun, so there's a betrayal, there's a disappointment coming from this person. Ito yung nag-cause sa'yo ng the tower moment and pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, na nalungkot ka, sleepless nights, or pwedeng this person is alam niya na nasaktan ka niya, na-betray ka niya, trinador ka niya, there's a cheating, whatever it is, nagbibigay sa'yo ng parang disappointments, okay? And parang nangyari siya recently lang, okay? Or pwedeng mangyayari, okay? Pero kahit ano man yun, it always happens for reason, Pisces. And after that, makaka-move forward ka din, magkakaroon ka din ng clarifications, magkakaroon ka din ng panibagong kasiyahan na darating sa'yo, okay? Again, sinabi ko nung nakaraang videos natin na there's a rainbow after the rain, okay? So, pwedeng meron itong connection sa, inulit ko lang, love, career, okay? So, maganda naman, maganda yung reading natin ngayon kasi parang look at the brighter side kasi there is something hope. Okay, yun yung parang root word natin dito sa reading natin ngayon. There's a hope. There's a hope. Ganun yun. Okay, bottom of the deck is two of pentacles. Ikaw to, Pisces. Ikaw to. It's either there is someone na magbibigay sa'yo ng Ace of Cups pero hindi mo sure kung tatanggapin mo ba or hindi. You're in a middle of the crossroads, Pisces, okay? Kumbaga, hindi ka sure kung tatanggapin mo o hindi. Parang ganun. It's up to you, Pisces, kung ano yung magiging decision mo regarding with this person, okay? Or regarding with this situation na dinidil niyo po ngayon. Okay? And the Empress, this is you, Pisces. This is you. Okay, you have to sit on your throne. You have to sit on your throne. You have to know your worth. Okay? And yes, there's a silent treatment. There's a silent treatment. Pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa love. Pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa kung kanino man. Okay? Kung kanino man. So, you know your worth, there's a silent treatment, and there is someone na disappoint. It's either you are disappointed with this person, and merong betrayal, and there's the tower moment, okay? Pero whatever it is, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, Pisces, and soon, okay, darating at darating din yung panahon na merong magkakaroon ka din ng Ace of Cups, okay, with this the Judgment card. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng initials ng mga taong dinidil nyo po, Pisces, o pwedeng sa'yo, or random words na konektado sa ating reading ngayon. Okay, so there's a letter Q. Kamag-anak. Yes, pwede meron itong involved sa kamag-anak. May dimple. New person. Okay. Abroad. There's a abroad again. Sinabi ko kanina merong new journey, connection. Airplane. Yes, abroad and airplane. Ooh. Short hair. Kasal. Okay. Offer. There's an offer which is this is the Ace of Cups. Letter, pwede makakatanggap ka ng letter, message. Letter C, there's a Q and C, long hair, and pangarap. Okay, ito yun, si Seven of Cups, pangarap. Okay, so yun lang po Pisces ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button Pisces para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you Pisces and God bless!